Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see Google Forms you've submitted. If you filled out a Google form but can't remember exactly what you submitted, or you need to review your responses for any reason, there's a way to access and view them. However, this largely depends on the settings the form owner has applied and the options provided by the Google Forms itself. Below, I'll walk you through different methods for seeing the forms you've submitted. The first method is to check the confirmation page. Now, after submitting a Google form, the page that follows your submission often displays a confirmation message. If the form creator has enabled it, there will be a view your response button. Now, the form creator can enable it by going to the form and go into settings, and here in the response section he can enable it by clicking on verified here, and he can allow to send the responders a copy of their responses. Now clicking this will take you to a summary of your filled out form. Keep in mind this link is often a one-time use, so be sure to access it immediately after submission. The second method is to receive a copy of your response by email. Many Google Forms are set up to send an automatic email to the respondents once the form is submitted. Now, if the form creator enabled this feature right here, check your email inbox for a message that contains a summary of your submissions. You can also look in your spam or junk folder in case it's ended up there. This email may also include a link to edit your responses if that option is enabled. As for the third method, is to edit your response. Now, if the form creator allowed the respondents to edit responses by toggling this option right here, as you can see, allow responses editing, now the form creator must toggle this option on. Now, if he did, you can modify your responses by going back to your to the form and modifying your responses. And that's it for today's tutorial. Seeing the Google Forms you've submitted can be easy if the creator has enabled features like response viewing or email confirmation. However, if these options aren't available, you can always reach out to the form's owner or save a copy of your responses for future references. Stay proactive by saving a confirmation email or link as soon as you submit your form. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you do that. That's how you see Google Forms you've submitted. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.